ocean wave, we can see how 272 species have been generated with this aeolic park, and we have octopus, sharks, all types of species, because it really generates a paradise, a heaven, protection, and biologists don't really believe how much has developed this within only 8 years in Portugal. 272 species. Imagine if we had Spain, for example, which is 4,000 kilometers times 150 meters, one wave left and right. Each wave generates 330 jobs, direct, indirect, times 10, so total is 3,600 jobs perpetual. How much would it cost to generate these rocks? Is it 1 million? So imagine 1 million times how many? You multiply, dear politicians, and then you generate this happiness for humans, because as you print money, you are generating unhappiness, so you have to compensate it. And the best way to compensate is generate, just imagine 4,000 kilometers, Spanish coast, perhaps you can make calculations. It's a good day for you to do something positive for the humans that live in your country, and not just sweet water, but I mean salted water. Why? Because, you know, you like to get involved in all those permissions and blah, blah, because you get money, corruption. But this is a very clear and transparent measure. Perhaps, probably, Portugal will do it first, or probably France will do it first, because whoever does it first, Portugal has really got this study about these aeolic platforms that generate electricity for 25,000 homes. But the question is how many jobs we can generate, and this the wave. We have many waves in the planet, from Jeffreys Bay to Hawaii to many Canary Islands, and the best one you can do is to those waves you have eliminated, like in my local beach back here with 2 river mouths. Before we used to have sand put here and there, so it was a perfect rate, left and right, and so on. And the same thing in the Canary Islands, Puerto de la Cruz, and same thing in the Azores. There are many waves have been destroyed because of humans. So the first thing is to undo those waves, and the second thing is think, okay, how many waves can I generate? And perhaps even some countries like Chile, like Peru, like any other country in the planet, think about generating this. El Salvador has already protected the waves and the coast, but the question is, can we generate and really give 272 species in 8 years really a place to live, and generate from dolphins, from sharks, all kinds of life? Can you imagine about this? Thank you. Bye.